Hello everyone, this is your instructor Idris Oryachel from Novatech. Today I am going to teach you how to transfer file with a shared folder in one network. First, click on Start menu and type Control Panel. Then click on Network and Sharing option. After that, click on Change Advanced Sharing Settings. Then visit Private Networks. After that, click checkmark Network Discovery option, and then checkmark File and Printer Sharing. Then visit All Network option and checkmark on option of Public Folder Sharing. And don't forget to off the Password Protected Sharing option. Now create a folder and rename it by any name, like Public Folder. After that, right-click on Folder and go to Give Access to option. Then select the Specific People option and then press Add button. After that, click on Permission Level, select the Read/Write option, then click Share. Right now, visit the second PC and open the File Explorer. And then click on Network, then find the PC name and click on it, and find your shared folder by patch, which is given by PC number 1. After that, click on Address Path and copy the address. And then click on Map Network Drive. Then in Folder option, paste the path, then click on Finish button. Now you can copy and paste any application or file which you want to see in other computer. A second method, you can access the folder using an IP address. In first method, you have to click on Start menu, type CMD, and then click on Command Prompt. After that, in black screen, type ipconfig and then Enter. Now you will see your first PC IP address, and keep remember that both PCs should be connected at same network. 172.168.1.127 is your first PC IP. And now go to PC2 and then click Window plus R and paste the first computer IP address and then OK. Now go to that path which is shared by first PC to you and then OK. In next step, you can map your network and also add a network location, your folder, then OK, and you will have access to that other PC shared folder.